want to welcome you to our channel, which is TripleRBackyardGrillin. First of all, before starting things, just want to say welcome and hope you guys enjoy what we're going to be doing today. It's what we want to call is their West Texas Jalapeno Poppers. And first of all, ingredients is what we're going to be using are going to be your jalapenos. This what we like to use is mild cheddar cheese and our smoked bacon. So that's what we'll be using today. Fairly easy recipe. If you like our channel, please subscribe and please give us a thumbs up or even a 2 thumbs up, and we would definitely appreciate that. But like I said, today is Super Bowl Sunday, so we figured we would do some appetizers for the game or before the game. And like I said, of course, you gotta have a beer. So, but here we'll get started here, and we'll just take you step by step on how we do our West Texas Jalapeno Poppers. First of all, that's what we do is get your jalapeno. That's what I like to do is cut it 3/4 of the way on top. From there, cut by the cap. And that's what I do is I will pull the cap off, where you can see it's fairly half. So what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll just dig out the seeds and the veins. Is where you get all your heat from. So what we'll do is that we'll dig that out, get that done. If there's a seed or two in there, that's fine. It's not too spicy, but if you want to leave the seeds in, that's up to you. So what we do is then we'll do the other half, get that done, get that removed. And as you can see, the little vein right there, get that removed. That's where most of the heat is. And so what we'll do is that we'll just put it aside. And that's what we'll do is we'll just continue going and get all these. If you want to do 6, if you want to do 12, depending how big your party is, it's up to you. It's better if you do these beforehand. Saves you a lot of time. That way you can kind of be outside, beer in your hand, enjoying the weather. So as it is right now here in Tulsa, Arizona, it's about almost 80 degrees. Beautiful day. Got the pool running, so we're just enjoying a beautiful Sunday. So we'll just continue taking the jalapenos off, getting that done, doing it again. Basically, all you're going to do is just a repeat step of what you're doing, back and forth on taking the seeds and the veins out. So got that done. So what we'll do next is your cheddar cheese. And don't forget, we like to use mild cheddar cheese. I'm not too big on the cream cheese. If you like cream cheese, you can substitute that if you want and add other stuff. But like I said, we like the mild cheddar. So it's what we like to do is I like to cut straight down on the short end. You know, you can cut a couple pieces. You can have it a 1/4 inch thick or 1/16 of an inch thick. So it's up to you. But this is what we end up coming up with. So what we like to do is I like to stack 2 or 3, and then just cut them into 3s, and so you got basically like julienne your cheddar. And then from there, that's what we do is we fill in the mild cheddar in the jalapeno, and you can stack it in there pretty high, and just put your cap back on, as you can see. And then from there, we come over here and we grab our bacon, which is the best part, especially if it's smoked bacon. Try not to use the thick cuts. The thin cut is a little bit easier, a little bit better. And that's what you'll do is you'll grab the jalapeno and start on one end, and you will completely wrap it all the way around your jalapeno. As you can see, it starts to cover up the jalapeno. And from that point on, grab you a toothpick or 2. And basically all you need is really just this one toothpick to hold it together. Right there. And that's what you're looking for right there. And what we'll do is that we'll continue making these and then we'll be coming back and we'll be putting them on the grill, and we'll show you how we cook them and smoke them at the same time, and product should come out nice and tasty. Guys, now we're ready to put the jalapeno poppers in the grill. Got my fire going, have it offset, so that way we can get that nice smoky flavor coming through. As you can see on my pit, we got the smoke going through. So now we're going to put the poppers in the on the grill and let them sit. But if you guys want to follow me, we'll go ahead and put it in there. You can see it's nice and smoky. And I like to use my hands, makes it easier. Like, set it back here in the back. Keep one. They're sitting flat. Got some good heat coming up. Nice and slow is what we want. So just take it easy. So here we have it. So as you can see, we have the poppers sitting in there. I got my heat on one side, get that smoke going through. So we'll just go ahead and shut it, and then we'll just check on it here in about half hour. Maybe turn them around, and hopefully get a nice golden crisp on that bacon. So like I said, we'll check on them here in just a little bit. Here we go. We're gonna go check the jalapeno poppers. Of course, gotta have a beer in hand. So probably been about 35, 40, 45 minutes. We're gonna check the jalapenos, see how they're doing. As you can see, it got a good smoke going on right now. So let's get down to business and see what they look like. So as you can see here, got smoke. As you can see, I did throw in a couple of some wings in there, but that'll be another episode that we'll do. But as you can see, the jalapenos are getting tender. Bacon is nice and crispy, nice smoky look on it. So I think they're ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and pull them off the grill. So that's what we'll do, is that we'll go ahead and come out here, put them on the with that cheese just kind of coming out, but that looks great. So put them on the ramekin here, or the boat. And like I said, that bacon is nice and crispy, looks good. So I think these are going to come out all right. So what we'll do is go back inside, and we'll give it probably give it a minute or two just to cool down for a second, and then from there we'll give them a try, and I'll definitely let you know how they are. Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are with the final product with our West Texas jalapeno poppers with mild cheddar cheese. Just got them off the grill. They're nice and hot, so they definitely look good. So let's dive into them and see what they taste like. But one thing to remember, always remember to pull out the toothpick. Definitely don't want to be biting into that or your family or friends. So let's take a bite of it and see what it tastes like, and see what it looks like. But jalapenos soft, tender. Bacon is nicely cooked. Got that nice smoky look, taste to it. So let's give it a try. But also got to say, it goes very well with beer. So here we go. Tastes great. Bacon is perfect. Cheese is nicely melted. Jalapeno is nicely soft. But just wanted to say, if you guys enjoy this recipe, pardon me, I'm still eating. Just real good. And it goes great with that dang beer. But if you like this recipe, please leave comments on our channel. And by all means, if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up. And I said, this is our first episode that we did, and we're going to continue going. But we'd like ask for your support, so just give us a thumbs up. Thanks. And again, we'll cook again with Triple R Backyard Grilling. Have a great one. See you next round.